Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Back by popular demand, I'm going to be doing another brand new Fire TV Stick video. Now, if you have a Fire Stick, Fire Cube, Fire TV Edition, any model, in today's video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 Fire Stick apps everyone should have. And guys, these are legal apps. That means you don't have to have a VPN, you don't have to have a side-loaded stick, a jailbroken stick, whatever you want to call it. You don't have to do it, guys, because this is all built into the App Store. In the past, the Fire Sticks only offered free apps that had maybe some old movies, or they had old TV shows. Guys, now it's the latest movies, the latest TV shows, and in their last update, they started rolling out free live TV. So guys, you don't even need to have cable anymore. I mean, literally, you can get all your entertainment with a Fire TV Stick, and a lot of these apps are also on Android boxes, Roku devices, all of that. So it's going to be a lot of fun. Let's get right onto the Fire Stick right now. All right, so I've got you on the home screen here. So we're going to go over each of these 5 apps that I think everybody should have on their Fire TV Stick. Guys, these apps have live TV, they've got movies, they've got all that. So the first one we're going to talk about is Zumo Play. Zumo Play is available on Android boxes. It's available on most smart TVs, Roku devices, and of course the Fire TV Stick. When you first open it up, you've got all of these live channels. You can see there are tons of channels here. Now if you go over to the left here, you can go down to weather. They've got categories. This is where you can find movies, sports, combat sports, crime TV. This is all the live TV section, guys. But if you go over one more, you can get to, well, right now we've got Halloween. So you've got Halloween headquarters area, but you've got your free movies right here, TV shows, and then a list of all of your networks. All that is available on this app. This is going to be a quick video, guys, so I just wanted to show you really quickly what each of these apps have to offer. So that's Zumo Play. It is completely free, and a lot of people really like that app, so that's my first one on the list. Now, all these that I'm going to be listing today are not in any particular order, so I'm not going to say that's my favorite, the next one's my favorite, because each person likes different things. So let's get right into the second one. The second one is Plex. Plex is very popular. It's extremely popular for those overseas as well because they have different live TV channels based on your location. So that's really nice. If you're in the UK, you're going to get more UK live TV or movies or TV shows versus the US. So it actually looks at your location, which I quite like. Now, if you have a VPN, you could actually switch locations to get content from all over the world. So all of your popular shows right here, where it's at, you've got your binge-worthy movies, Plex picks. As you can see, these are not old movies. These are, oh, there's some old ones on here, of course, but these are top hits. These aren't just B-rate movies. So there's tons and tons of movies on here, but they have a really nice guide, and a lot of people really like this design of a guide. It's very similar to the last one, but this looks more like your regular TV. As you can see, you've got tons of channels. You've got the NFL channel. You've got, there's just a lot of stuff on here, guys. I could go on and on and on, but I'm not going to. I don't have time for that. But I will tell you right now, this is one of the most popular apps right now. Plex is great, and it's completely free. You can also sync your downloaded content to it as well, which is very popular. All right, the next one is Pluto TV. Now, this is a classic, guys. Some people in other countries like Canada and UK have stated that they can't get Pluto. Guys, you can get a free VPN. I've got a top free VPN video out there that you can check out. Definitely check that out, guys, because you can get this anywhere in the world, no matter where you are at. But Pluto's really good. It has a lot of live TV channels, which is super awesome here. So if you go to channel guide here on the left-hand side, you can kind of get an idea of what is offered. Tons and tons of channels. There's probably more channels on Pluto than any of these. And Pluto recently added something called the on-demand. So you can actually watch some on-demand content as well. And that's not something that they ever had before. I'm just going to dismiss that because I guess you can get subscriptions now, which is new to them, if you want to save your favorites, things like that. You don't really need to do that, though. But as you can see, you've got everything sorted here really, really well. And then you get your featured movies and stuff like that, which I like. So, and you go to the left and you can actually see those kids movies as well, which is kind of nice. And then on demand. On demand is really popular right now. But as you can tell, it has tons of content on here. And I'm just doing, again, a quick overview of each of these. So Pluto's my number 3. Again, there's no specific order. Roku channel's great. Now, if you have a Roku device, obviously Roku is what you're using already. But you can add Roku to Android boxes. You can add Roku to your Fire TV Stick. And it's a free app. And it will have tons and tons of stuff. I have a Roku TV out in my garage, and it's what I use most of the time. And I love just clicking in movies and seeing what's available. You know, I got my kiddos out there. I can go to the kids and family and just watch kids stuff out there. Most of the time I do use it for the live TV though, and I use it for sports. There's tons of sports on here. You can click on the guide, kind of get an idea of what you're going to get with the Roku TV if you are not familiar with it. I really like it. I think it's really well organized. It plays really well. I will say that the quality of this is a little bit lower than some of these other ones, but you don't have to deal with ads or anything. Obviously, live TV, you're going to have your normal commercials, but the ads aren't nearly as much in Roku TV. But as you can see, there's tons of channels. I could just go on and on and on. I mean, right here you've got basketball, football, and Major League Baseball, hockey, all right here, golf channel. So you've got all that already, which is kind of nice, and it is built in, and like I said, completely free. All right, let's go on to the next one. So I mentioned Zumo Play, Plex, Pluto TV, and Roku. And finally, I'm actually going to give a bonus one on here because I like Fawsome as well. But we're going to talk about Tubi really quick. Tubi's been around for a long, long time. It's only gotten better and better. Their biggest downfall is the constant ads that they have when you play their on-demand movies. Well, they have reduced those a little bit, but you still have to deal with those ads. That is the only downfall with it. But I will tell you, there's tons and tons of stuff on here. So if you can go to categories, you can kind of get an idea of what's available. You've got recommended networks, 90s comedy, 20s. I like the way they organize this. They even have adult content on here, which is kind of interesting. But if I went 2010s comedies, I can do on demand, and it just kind of shows you all of the movies available within that year range, which is pretty cool. Never really see anything organized this well on a lot of these. And then it also has live TV, and that's something they added recently as well. So let's see what they have for live TV. They have, let's look here. I haven't really played too much with their live TV. It looks very similar to some of the others. Just have the NFL channel there, which I obviously would watch in Major League Baseball. So you got lots of sports stuff on here. So it looks like they have quite a bit too. The quality is really good on this. In fact, it's better than Roku TV. So if you can deal with a few extra ads, it's definitely a big bonus. And an honorable mention that I'm not going to get too much into is Fawsome. That's a great app as well. Make sure you check that one out. This was just the top 5, but I wanted to give you a little bonus one. Check out Fawsome. It is on the screen there on the right-hand side, the very last one on there. It has live TV. It's got free movies. I use that one mostly on my Roku device because there's not as many apps on Roku as there is on the Fire TV Stick. But these are the top 5 top apps right now for the Fire TV Stick, and all of those added live TV, which is something that they never did before. So I think that's pretty cool, and it really elevates your whole experience on the Fire TV Stick, whether it's a TV cube or just the little stick. They're all the same, guys. They all work the same, and all these apps work the same. I am going to be doing another video on this channel on things like Kodi and Cinema HD and those types of apps and how they kind of work, the legalities of those, and how they work with some of these free apps and how they make money, because there is a way that those companies make money as well, not just these. These are ad-based, the ones I'm sharing today, so you're going to have a few ads here and there, whereas Kodi and Cinema HD don't. But those apps do something different, and it's kind of dangerous. So you're going to want to watch that video. It is super, super important that you watch that, and that will be my next video on the channel. Thanks again for watching the video. Again, this was the top 5 Fire TV apps right now that you can get completely free that are 100% legal. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks again.